Morning, guys. I'm Vinny. I'm going to be the photographer. Big Lou's going to be the shooter. Hopefully we can get us a nice limb hanger. We're at the killing field here in Central Florida. Hopefully everything goes well.
This is Big Lou and Vinny. We're out here in the killing fields. Out here gonna try to get us a little limb hanger. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So wish us luck.
Big Lou. Woo! Big Lou. We're going to step around for a little bit and see if we can get the gobbler to come through. That's what I'm talking about, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. Yep, that's what I'm talking about right there. You can't get no better than this.